How did GDPR influence global privacy? Laws such as CCPA and LGPD. Imagine a world where your personal data is protected by strict rules and your rights are front and center. That world is largely shaped by the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, which the European Union put into place in 2018. This law set a new standard for privacy and data security that many countries look to when creating their own rules. GDPR introduced clear rules about how companies must handle personal data. It made organizations responsible for protecting data and gave individuals rights like accessing their data, correcting it, deleting it, and moving it elsewhere. It also required companies to get explicit consent before collecting sensitive information and to notify people quickly if there was a data breach. These rules created a comprehensive framework that prioritized user control and transparency. Looking at the United States, the California Consumer Privacy Act, or CCPA, was influenced by GDPR but took a different approach. Instead of requiring explicit consent for all data processing, CCPA focused on giving consumers the right to opt out of the sale of their data. It also provided rights to access and delete personal information but did not specify the same detailed consent process as GDPR. This shift was partly because of different legal traditions and privacy expectations in the United States. Brazil's LGPD, or General Data Protection Law, closely mirrors GDPR. It requires a legal basis for data processing, similar to GDPR's rules, and emphasizes individual rights. It also mandates appointing a data protection officer and reporting data breaches within a set time frame. LGPD's structure and principles are very much inspired by GDPR, showing how European standards influenced Latin America's approach to privacy. One key impact of GDPR's influence is on how companies handle cross-border data flows. GDPR's extraterritorial scope means any company processing data of European Union residents must comply, even if they are outside Europe. This pushed many organizations worldwide to adopt GDPR-like policies to stay compliant in multiple regions. For Saas marketing teams, this means implementing transparent consent tools, clear privacy notices, and robust data security measures that meet or exceed GDPR standards. In essence, GDPR set a blueprint for privacy laws around the globe. Countries like Brazil adopted similar rules to protect their citizens, while the United States tailored the principles into laws like the CCPA. For Saas companies, understanding GDPR's core principles helps navigate different legal landscapes, ensuring they respect user rights and stay compliant no matter where they operate. This global shift toward user-focused data practices continues to shape how marketing data is collected, used, and protected worldwide.